Okay, this is part 2 of the extra credit assignment. So for number 10, basically you're just like doing the total number of outcomes with A, B, and C. And for here, since each question has 3 choices, and for 2 multiple choice, there's 3 answers. And that would be 3 times 3 equals 9. It gives us this: AA, AB, AC, BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, and CC. The favorite outcomes would be 2 times 2 equals 4, so 4 outcomes would be these ones right here. This one. None with B. So because there's none with B, it would be 4/9. Okay, so now for the pet owner ones, you just plug into the formula. 3 pets, 5,555 homeowners, total homeowners 3,000. Divide it, and you get this, and then you just kind of like round or like adjust it. So it'd be 0.169. Okay, so for number 12, essentially just plug back into the formula. So since P parentheses A union B equals 0, it would be P A or B equals PA plus B. And you just fill in the numbers, which are over here. Add them, and you get 0.82. So realistically, all you do is add this one and this one. Just to make sure. Yeah, 0.82. Okay. So for this next one, 13, a fair die was rolled 3 times. What is the probability that it comes up 6 at least once? Okay, so for this, it's more formula. So P at least 1 6. So it's 1 minus P, no 6s in 3 rows. So I'm gonna go to here. P, no 6. So on this one, just to make sure, parentheses 5 divided by 6. 3. Oh yeah. Okay, 125, which I got here. 6, same thing. Right here, and then you divide by 2. So 125 divided by 216, and I get 1.578 here. And in here, you just subtract 1. So it'd be 1. So it'd be just P at least 1 6. Yeah, so 1 minus 0.5787. That equals 0.4213. And then that's number 13. Yeah, so 0.4213. This section is a little bit simpler. So for this one, 7C3. Yeah, so there's a formula to it. You plug in 7 and 3. So 7 would go right here, and 3 would go right here. Times 4, and then the explanation marks is just 7 times 6 times 5. 3 times 2 times 1. Which the end gets 35. That was pretty easy. Yeah, this one too. So, how many students? How many ways can a student select 5 questions from an exam containing 12 questions if one of the 5 must be the last question? So because of this, that means 1 has already been picked. 1 question has been picked, so there's 11 remaining. So there's 4. So it'd be just kind of like this, 11, 4. So 11, 10 times 9 times 8, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So at the end, it'd be 11 times 3 times 10. And that's 330. Now for a bookcase contains 3 statistics books and 4 biology books. If 2 books were chosen at random, the chance that both are statistics books is... And then for this one, right here. Oh. Yeah, sorry, I skipped over 14. So, number 14 is a lot of 1,000 components contains 300 that is effective. 2 components are drawn at a random and tested. Let A be the event that the first component drawn is negative, and B, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So find P, B, A. So this is the proof that the second component is effective. So 300, 1,000. So it's 300 minus 1, 299, 1,000 minus 1, 999. So then you just plug it in, divide it, 299 by 999. Let's just confirm. 299 divided by 999 equals all of this, which I got right here. You round it. Yeah, and that's number 14 right here. So I did it a little bit. Yeah, so I went 10, 11, 12, 13. And I did 14 for more space. So 14, 15, 16. So, yeah. 14. Yeah. So, okay. So this would be 14. Sorry. This would be 17 right here. So 3 statistic books, 4 biology equals 7 books, obviously. 1 stat, 3, 7. Second stat, 2, 6. And then you just multiply it. So 3, 7 times 2, 6 equals 642. Simplify equals 1/7. Yeah, so that was pretty simple. Yeah, so that was D. 18 would be this one right here. Oh wait, yeah. The football players. So find total players here. So 20 plus 20 plus 13 plus 11 equals 64. The non-seniors, 64 minus 11 equals 53. So the complement rule, or complementary rule, is P1 senior equals, subtract. Combine the captain, 64 by 4, so 64 times 63, so 62, 61, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it gives you this. And this is the non-seniors. Same thing here, 292, 825. divide it, these two right here, and you get 0.46087, and then you subtract 1. So 1 minus 0.46087 gets you this, and then you adjust it, fix it, and yeah, so you get 0.531341, and then now we have that right here. This one is 19, and this one's 20. So number 19 is B, a probability is negative because of this one right here. So Px must never be negative, and then this is the culprit. Yeah, so because of this being negative, it makes it this the answer. That was pretty self-explanatory. So now for this last one, number 20. Kind of same thing, but you put into the P's, plug it in. You start with the 1, 2, 3, 4. So P1 plus P2 plus 3 plus 4, and then you plug in the PX here. Simplify it, subtract, and it gets you to 0.95. So yeah, it would be this one right here. So yeah, that was page 2, 10 through 20, and before I did 1 through 9. So that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm just gonna leave it for these 20 questions. Hopefully I can get the points. Hopefully I did this correctly. Here's my work, 1 through 20. Yeah, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sorry, no. This is 8. This is 8, and this is 9. And then this is 10 through 20. So yeah, this is my answers again. Just take a look. Hopefully I did this correctly. 10 through 20. Thank you.